Eat basketball cotton whipped cops' favorite target practice people's national food, or hot dog. Be alone till you're 35, or be alone after you're 35. Never be able to drive or never be able to play sports. Take this guy on a date or the first person that appears when you click on share then Snapchat. Be friends with the president or be friends with your favorite celebrity. Live on an island or live in a bat cave with your first at. Be the most athletic person or the drippest person. Be well known for your jokes or for your looks.